Hello from Slovenia again. I had some kind of rainbow colors left, and I will do a kiss pour over the cup bottom, the flower shaped cup bottom, and see what will happen. So I will, maybe I should, not maybe, definitely I will put this aside and bring those cups that I will fill up. One I will fill up just with this indigo hue, and the other colors will have some bright other cup. This is cadmium red, cadmium orange, cadmium yellow. I will put all the colors into the description box too. And Pebeo iridescent green blue. And cyan blue, and Prussian blue, and cobalt violet, and red again, and orange. An update: Marina will go home. Marina and Dota will come home today. So excited. We will visit her tomorrow, so I will tell you more about it on my live auction tomorrow. So if you want to buy something, some piece of my art, you can come to my live auction tomorrow. Okay, so here is my rainbow cup. Let's put this back on flower shaped cup and put it like this maybe. And I will kiss those two cups together. I think that first lady that done these kiss pours was Olga Sobi from Smart Art Materials. So if you want, you can check her out. So let's kiss this rainbow. I will stop right here. I will just grab a little of this paint out. I will wait a second and then I will decide if whether or not I want to do some, you know, I will not blow on the, because I don't want this to mud up or whatever, so I will just try to see what is going on. So obviously I will do some Rex. Okay, definitely it's not centered, but I don't mind because it will kind of think that it will look nice if I will have it off centered. I will just pour this indigo around there. Oop. Spread it just a little bit, just to help this paint to flow. And I will give it a gentle spin first, and then just want to just make sure that your middle is nice, because it will stretch out, and if it will not be nice, you will not have a nice center. So, but this is really off-centered, a little too much for my taste, so I will just tilt it a little bit. Okay, let's do that. Another spin. I will just leave this corner there like it is, probably. Love those lines. It will not go over the edge, so it will have to be like that. Just one more try. I know that it will not go over, but maybe just a little bit. Okay, I'm done. I like it. I will say that I do. I will just try to show you all those lines, and I have a glare. I hate this so much. Hope that you can see all those beautiful lines. I have to say that I like this part probably the most. These lines into the indigo. And here. I really like it, so I will call this one done. Don't forget, if you want to buy my art, tomorrow is auction. You can come and grab a piece of my art. Have a nice weekend and see you on the next one. Bye.